Boysen State Park in Wind River, Wyoming. It's on Highway 20, which is pretty much the only road through Wind River Canyon. Fees as of mid-September 2018. The envelopes are here. You put your cash in the envelope and take the stub, the ticket stub, off of the envelope. Put the little stub on your window. You put the rest of the envelope with your money in the box. A ranger comes by at least every day to check on the stickers to make sure there's something in the window. There are two sections here. The one to your right appears to be first come, first serve. The one to your left has reservation tags on the sites, and it seems that you can make reservations for those sites. There is no cell phone service that we have found here and no internet signal. We have seen the rangers come through at least once a day, and park personnel are through frequently. Even though there's no phone signal, if you need help, it's never that far away. It doesn't seem that you can get mail here. Perhaps general delivery at the Thermopolis post office. There's a Walmart in Riverton, and there's a Shopko in Thermopolis. We're in the lower Wind River Campground. There's no dump site here, but you can go up 2 miles or so up to the headquarters and use the dump station there. There are several water pumps throughout the park. However, there are no hookups, no facilities at the sites. The interior roads are paved. The sites are gravel. There are several sizes of site. There's some that are very small and some that are big enough even for our RV. A couple of the pull-off sites in the reserved area. This place is impeccably maintained. The sites on this side of the campground have no reservation tags on them, so I'm assuming they're first come, first serve. Some more sites right along the river. Tent site. For those of you that like to work camp, this is the host site here. 3 months free rent, you get water and electric. There's no sewer here, but a honey wagon comes around periodically to empty out your black tank. This is the day use area. Toilets. Playground. Picnic area here, and that includes several barbecue grills. There's a volleyball court behind the picnic area and a large fire pit. This place is all really kept clean. Absolutely nothing can describe being surrounded on both sides by these mountains. Several toilets through the area. Here's the one near us. Inside the toilets, no sinks, just the toilets. While there are no showers here, down in Thermopolis there are the hot springs. When the Indians sold the land to the government, one restriction they made was that access to the hot springs had to be free and made available, so you get a 20-minute soak for free. They did this because they consider those springs healing waters. Be aware that those springs are mineral springs. They have a very heavy mineral and metal content. If you have skin allergies, don't go in them. More vultures. They're as thick as sparrows here. That tunnel down there is for the train. Every once in a while, one will come through. Here's one of the pathways down to the river. Where those wires and that broken down cement and those stairs are is the old dam site. You can fish on this side of the river with just a Wyoming license. Once you go past the old dam site, you're on Indian land, and you're going to need their fishing license. I think that's an extra about $40. You're on your own for the fishing. We did not do so, and we're only here for one night.